Hi, welcome to Mountain View Kennels. I'm David Frensley, and this is Orange Puppy. Orange Puppy is 5 weeks and 3 days. Say hi. Tonight we're going to do her 5-week temperament test. We're going to start out by just handling her paws, his paws. It's a boy. Orange Puppy's a boy. All 4 paws. Get them used to being handled, so when you have to trim them, they'll be comfortable doing it. Check their ears. Labs are notorious for getting moisture in their ears, and their ears lay over the hole and cover it, so you have to clean them on a regular basis. We try to clean ours every Friday. Tickle tooties. Ooh, yeah. Sharp tooties. Good. Good. Alright, we're going to start with the dominant test. Lay them on their back for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The longer they go without squirming and whining, the less dominant they are. Alright. He said he was done with that. Now we're going to do the suspension test for 10 seconds. This tells you how comfortable they are in new environments. And again, we hold them for the count of 10. The longer they last, the better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Orange Puppy. Good job. See, I forgot to read you his weights. Last weigh-in, he was 5 pounds, 11 and a half ounces. As of this past Saturday, 3 days ago, he was 6.3, same as Yellow. 6 pounds, 3 ounces. Alright, we'll do the loud noise test. Y'all still see him? Oh, there he is. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, Orange. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come on, Orange. Come on. No way, huh? Let's sit you back up here. Well, we can see you. Now we're going to do the umbrella test. You won't know everybody you can. So let's see if you'll go through the umbrella to get to it. Yes, he will. Not worried about that umbrella at all. Good job, buddy. Sure don't get you with it. Good boy. Good job. All right. All right. Let's see if you'll follow the toy around. Come out of there. Come out of there. Come out of there. You got your spot. Yeah. He usually is one that likes to be in the corners, where we usually find him in a corner sleeping. Good boy. Good boy. Good curiosity. He's going to check it out. Alrighty, big boy. Alright, big boy. Good job. Good job. Let's see. Let's get you back up here so they can see you. This is Orange Puppy. 5.5 week temperament test. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.